Sige, ikaw na. Magluluto lang ako.
I'm going to cook. I'm going to cook.
Wow.
I'll just cook.
Huh?
I'll just cook. I'll just cook.
I'm going to cook. I just cook. So hi guys, to for this video. So may challenge tayo ngayon. So Tagalog words to
Ayun. Fancy.
so
So,
hi,
na guys.
everyone.
So,
hello
na guys.
So for this video, so may pa-challenge kami guys. So Tagalog
To
words to
English.
English translation.